step into the 2008 Toyota Yaris. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include intermittent wipers, power outlet, front reading lamps, steel wheels, power steering, wheel covers, AC, rear bench seat, and front disc rear drum brakes. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.